Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the spirit store and they have a lot of Halloween items, guys. So I'm just going to take you around and let you show you what they have to offer. And the first thing that catches my eye is this Freddy Cougar sweater right here. Look at that, guys. That sweater is going for $34.99. They have the hat. They have the actual face here. The face is going for $16 and the hat is going for $24.99. They even have the socks, guys. They have the socks here. The socks are going for $7. They have some longer ones right here. These are going for $9.99. But they pretty much have everything Freddy Krueger. This was my Halloween movie back in the day when I was young. They have the makeup here, $12.99. They have the Freddy Krueger Deluxe gloves here with the knives, $19.99. They pretty much have everything, guys. Look at that. But that sweater really caught me. And they have them in all sizes. And look at the detail in the bottom, guys. It's short in the front and long in the back. Look at that. It's very cute. Alright, so here they have Jason here. Friday the 13th with another one of my movies. They have his socks. They have different socks here. They have these right here. $9.99. They even have the Jason shirts here. Look at those. And this is what they look like here. They have the hat here. $19.99. They have the killer clown. They have this costume here. $54.99. They have the ring mistress here. She's $39.99. And they have different, they have clown balloons, guys, here. They have the voice changers here. They have the creepy clown girl, the carnival clown, and the twisted trickster. All of these are, well, this one here actually is going for $59.99. The carnival clown, $39.99. And the twisted trickster, you can say that 3 times, $49.99. Alright guys, so they have the Finster Ringmaster's coat here. Look at that. And this is what he looks like up here at the top up here. That is $59.99. It has a hat to go with it. The hat is going for $24.99. And here's the coat here actually. And I'm not sure what the price of the coat is. I don't know what the price of the coat is. But as you can see, they have tons and tons of Halloween costume, mask. There's a Chucky mask here, Child's Play too. They have different ones. Let's see. $21.99 for the mask. They have that wall decor right there. He wants you as a best friend. But guys, look at all of the masks that they do have. Anything you want, they have it here. They even have a peace and love hippie girl. She has a vest. There's a top. There's a top right there. This top right here is $29.99. And she also has a dress. Look how cute is that? I think if I was going to an actual Halloween party, this would be a definite costume for me here. They have the glasses. They have the feather headbands. They have the glitter hippie tattoos. The headband is $7 and the glasses are $5.99. Alright guys, so this is the actual 20s where you get the actual dress. Look at that. They have the actual shawl here. Here's another dress. It comes with the cane. You get the hat, the cap here. You get a fake cigar. Look at the earrings, guys. They even have the jewelry for it. These earrings are $7.99. They have the pearl necklaces, $6.99. They have the diamond bracelet with ring, $9.99, and they have the pearl bracelets here. And I'm surprised they don't have the wigs. I'm pretty sure they do. They have the headbands here as well, in different colors. And look at the statement necklace, guys. Pocket watch. They have the cigar here, the light up cigar. It comes with the batteries included. The small cigarettes. But I'm surprised they don't. Oh, you know what, guys? Here are the wigs up here. The wigs are $19.99. Alright, so this was back in the Empire days. They have the gold coin earrings here. Look at those. $6.99. They have the metal leaf crown here. $9.99. They have the sandals. Look at those. And they're in gold. They're $9.99. They have the leaf armband here in gold. $7.99. And they also have the dress, the Venus dress here. The dress attached over skirt, gold leaf headpiece, and armbands for $49.99. So pretty much all you need is the actual shoes. But everything else comes in included. Here are some more. The snake headband. And they have all the different necklaces here. They have the snake cuffs, the snake headbands. Cleopatra, she comes with a dress with attached belt, the collar, the cape with cuff, headpiece with snake charms, and like I said, all you need is the shoes for $44.99. They have the goddess fabric wings here. And they have Cleopatra here in black. Look at that. It comes with the dress, collar, belt, and headpiece for $54.99. Alright guys, so they do have some Halloween decor here. They have these little pumpkin head, or these little skeleton heads right here, $12.99. They have this one right here for $12, and this one, and they all light up, guys. They light up. They have the gel cleans right here. And they have the prices in the most unusual spot, $7.99. They have the lollipop here, the trick or treat lollipop. They have the flaming pumpkin here. Let's see what he does. That's what he does. $39.99. They have these guys right here. They have this wall decor right here. They have this one right here. And as you can see, they have a lot of Pennywise here. Let's see what it does. It just lights up. They have the Pennywise doll here. And they have the decor down here at the bottom. Alright guys, look at this little girl right here. She wants to know if I could keep a secret.
I don't want to wake up my mother.
She said she doesn't want you to wake up her mother. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. So look at her. So as you can see back here on this back wall here, they have wigs and hats. They have ears and tails. Any type of accessories you need if you're going to a Halloween party or dressing up for Halloween. Look at these coats here, guys. They have purple and brown. These are going for $49.99. They even have glasses, guys. Any type of glasses you want. These are actually nice right here. Look at those. And of course they have different wigs. So if you're looking for a wig for Halloween. Alright, so they have Black Fashion Girl here. I'm not sure what to say about this wig piece up here. But that right there, I'm not understanding. Here's a better picture of it. That had a glare to it. But they have different ones. They have the tempting tresses. She has her glasses on for $14.99. The wigs are at reasonable prices, guys. They have them in blonde. They have the shorter ones up there. Very nice. They also have different type of masks here. They have the smiling mask. They have this type of mask here. Any type of mask, guys, you're looking for. They have the freaky clown here. The googly eyes clown mask. They have Happy Death Day. Misfits. They have that guy right there, and all of these guys up here at the top. Look at those. Alright guys, some more Halloween decor here. They have this skeleton with the crow. $16.99, and actually, no, it doesn't light up, but that's what it looks like. They have this wall decor right here. $9.99 for that. They have this welcome wreath right here for $24.99. They have the bleeding candles here, guys. So when you light these, they bleed out red. They have them in white. I see black. They have these nice pillows right here. You get a set of 2 pillows here for $24.99. And this is what they look like. You get this one right here, and you get the red and black on the other side. They have the black magic crystal bowl. $19.99. Alright, so they have the night before Christmas, the nightmare before Christmas. They have the clock here. $24.99. They have the light up mantle decor, where you get the actual, like the little light up piece of fabric right there. They have Halloween Town, $19.99. And on this side over here, they have tons and tons of wreaths here. Wicked Welcome, $24.99. They have Beware, $24.99 for that. And they have some of the little yard stakes here. This one is going for $14.99. They have that wall decor right there that says Boo, $6.99. They have the Headless Horseman globe here, $19.99, and this is what it looks like. They have the books here, the table decor, $24. And they have these little haunted houses down here at the bottom. We also have the cats back there as well. Alright guys, so back on this wall back here, they have a lot of things back here. Look how cute these glasses are. And they are going for $8.99. Those are very cute. They have these tumblers here for $9.99. They have this one right here, the tall one, and this one right here. And it has a little skeleton on the inside for $14. They have this mug right here, $16. And these are actual light up pumpkins here. They have her face on there, his face, and this guy's face back here. And they have different cups, guys. Look how big this cup is. Look at that. $14.99 for that. You get this one right here, $12.99. I'll show you this one as well, and they also have this one. I think I've seen this one somewhere else, but it's $12.99. I think it was at the Christmas tree store. They have that picture frame right there. They have this little potion bottle right here for, let's see what the price of it is, $12.99. They have that ceramic dish right there, $14.99. As you can see, guys, they have a lot of things here. They have that Welcome to Halloween Town, $12.99. They even have a Monopoly, the night before Christmas Monopoly game. They have the Ouija board game here. $34.99. They have those there. Alright guys, so they have the light up moon wreath. Look how pretty that is. It actually lights up. They have the candle here, the death candle here. $7.99. They have the tarot crystal ball here. They have the actual little container here. Maybe you can put something on the inside. It's $24.99. They have these wall decors right here. Psychic reading. What does your future hold? $9.99. They have the mantle stars here. $9.99 for those. They have the organic white sage here. $7.99. They have that pretty nice table runner right here. $7.99. They have this crystal ball right here. $24. And of course they have this pillow up here. The pillow is going for $16.99. Alright guys, so I can actually be in this store all day looking at different items. But I need to get out of here because this is going to be a long vlog. But I want to thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Miss Queen B. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're one of my returning girls here or guys, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And as always guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys. We have different tombstones and things like that. Big or small. And guys, look at this right here. You actually put your foot on it. And he's supposed to have something. We have this girl, this guy right here.
I've been waiting for you to come out and play.
Look at that.
What took you so long?
That is so funny to me. And they have this guy up here. Look at that. Alright guys, I am out of here. I'm kind of getting a little scared because of all of these different faces. But thanks so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys.
Ha ha ha!